Guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back today. I hope you all are doing well. So today guys, I'm going to create three beautiful vases for you. This is going to be easy, simple glam vases. As you can see, I'm going to be using some glitter, ribbon, and some pearl brooches. And each one is different and each one looks absolutely beautiful. So the vases I picked up from the Dollar Tree. If you wanted to guys, you can get your glitter from the Dollar Tree as well. And my brooches guys, I just picked them up from my local thrift store and I paid maybe like a couple of cents for the brooches. I really don't remember. But the vases, they came out absolutely lovely. And yeah. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. And with that said, I'm going to get started. So I'm going to be using three vases. Two are going to be the larger vases and one small. I'll be using this blue glitter. It's called Sky Blue. I'll be using the silver and the gold. And I'm going to transfer them into the containers that you see there with the black lid. I'll be using this silk satin ribbon. I'll be using some brooches guys. I don't think I'm going to be using the blue one and this gold one. I'm not going to use those. I'll find something else. I think I wanted to keep everything silver looking. I'll be using my Elegance tacky glue, sponge brush, a paintbrush, and I'll be using my hot glue gun. So guys, I'm going to get started. So I'm just going to start by just applying some of the Elegance tacky glue to the outside of my vase. And this sponge brush is not working very well guys, so I'm going to switch out to a nylon paintbrush. The paintbrush I picked up from the Dollar Tree, I think a couple of years ago. And yeah, and this works really well. Also guys, my paintbrush is damp a little bit to help the glue spread a little bit easier. So I just have like a glass of water off to the side and I'm just sort of dipping the paintbrush into the water and then spreading the glue. And I'm just going to apply a very thin amount of glitter. I'm not going to kind of make it really thick. This glitter I'm using today is like a medium chunky in texture. So I'm just going to continue glittering up the vases. I'm going to allow them to dry for about 4 hours and then I'm going to continue. So right now I've just transferred to those containers. They work really well with holding just some of my gems that I have for my projects, as well as my glitter. And so right now I am going to apply a little bit of this bedhead hard head hairspray to the glitter project, because it's going to help seal the glitter. And so I like this particular hairspray, guys, because it doesn't dull the project down. As a matter of fact, it makes it look a little bit shinier. So I'm just going to do that to all 3 vases. So right now, guys, this is what that looks like. It's all dry and it's ready to go. And right now I'm just going to apply the ribbon just to create a decorative design. And then after that, I'm going to apply the brooches. So guys, this is it. This is the blue one. This looks so beautiful. This glitter color is called Sky Blue. I absolutely love it. And I love the way each one came out. They're sort of designed the same, except for the brooches and the color. They do look different and they look really, really beautiful. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Stay well, stay safe, stay blessed, and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.